here's a great quote from Osho that set Greg and I off on developing our soulmate workshops, which is, it's a definition by Osho. Tantra is the science of transforming ordinary lovers into soulmates. And that is the grandeur of Tantra. It can transform the whole earth. It can transform each couple into soulmates. So when I first read this, I was astounded because the idea there is there's something you can do. So we're also taught since we were little that if we sit and wait, Tinkerbell's going to come along and we're going to just see the person and fall madly in love. And girls are taught to wait and sit on our little toadstools for the Prince Charming to come. And the guys are out there riding on their horses looking for Princess Charming to rescue. And it's all this sort of idea that it's magical. And when Greg and I met, it was magical, but that's because we'd been working on ourselves for so long that we were at the same frequency. There wasn't anything magic about it. It took a lot of work to get there. In the same way that we are willing to put in work to get our careers going, we have to be willing to put in work on ourselves. It's a great personal growth path. If we really want that relationship that's as great as we've always dreamed of. And it's there for you, I know it is. If you will, I had to do 3.5 years of hard labor, but really I had done decades of even harder labor because I didn't know what I was doing. So there's this idea that Osho said, which is that you can transform yourself into a soulmate, you can hold the other person as a soulmate and create a soulmate relationship. And that means that to me means the relationship we've dreamed of. But if you sit and wait for it to happen, I was at a party a couple years ago at Christmas and there was an older lady there in her 70s and I told her did some dating workshops. She says, oh yeah, I'm still waiting, someone's gonna find me. I said, how are they gonna find you? She's still waiting at 73 or 75 or whatever she was. She's still waiting. And I don't know, sometimes it does happen by magic. When I look back at my past, every time it happened by magic, it turned into a disaster.